Your landlord just kept your security deposit. Again. And their reason? Cleaning fees. For an apartment you left spotless. Sound familiar? Yeah. This happens every single day across America, and most tenants just take it because they don't know they don't have to. I'm Myron, and today we're talking about the rights your landlord is hoping you never find out about. Let's start with security deposits. Most states give your landlord 14 to 30 days to return it after you move out. That's it. Not 2 months later, not whenever they feel like it. 14 to 30 days. Miss that deadline? They owe you the full deposit back. No questions, no deductions. In some states, they owe you double the amount. Save every single move-out photo. Date and timestamp them. That's your evidence. Now let's talk about repairs. Your heat stopped working in January. You told your landlord 3 weeks ago. Still nothing. Here's what most tenants don't know. In most states, you can legally pay for that repair yourself and deduct it directly from your rent. It's called repair and deduct, and it's completely legal. But, and this matters, you have to notify your landlord in writing first. Text, email, anything with a timestamp. Document everything before you spend a dime. What about rent withholding? If your unit has serious issues, mold, no heat, broken plumbing, pest infestation, and your landlord refuses to fix them, you may have the right to withhold rent until they do. This is called an uninhabitable conditions claim. Again, written notice first. Always written notice first. And if your landlord is just straight up retaliating against you, raising your rent right after you filed a complaint, trying to evict you for reporting them, that is illegal. Full stop. Document it. Report it to your local housing authority. And call a tenant rights attorney. Most offer free consultations. Real quick, here's what to always keep. Every lease, every payment receipt, every text, every email, move-in photos, move-out photos. That paper trail is worth more than anything your landlord can say in court. Look, landlords count on you not knowing this stuff. Now you do. Share this with someone renting right now, because there's a good chance their landlord is counting on them not knowing either. I'm Myron. Subscribe for more. See you next week.